Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to swap X and Y axis in Excel. So you basically just select your graphic, then you're going to click right click of your mouse and you're going to click select data. Now you can actually go ahead to the X values. As you can see, they are from the first row. So you want to just delete it. Then you're going to click this button and you're going to select the B option. Now, after you've done that, you're going to click enter. And for the Y values, you're going to again do the same and select the A option and click enter. And now it's swapped. So you're going to click OK. And now the values have changed. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.